Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be taking a look at the Pixel Buds A series, doing an unboxing and taking a first look. So let's check it out. Okay, so first things first, I want to give a shout out to Team Pixel for sending these over to unbox and review for y'all. And in this video here, I'll be taking a look at the Pixel Buds A series, as well as kind of comparing them a little bit with the 2020 model of the Pixel Buds. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, nice little box here you see on the back there. It just says Pixel Buds A series and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and just dive right into it. And right on top here, we have your little egg-shaped looking carrying case with your buds inside. I love the way this is designed. And in the box here, let's see what else does come in here. So we do get a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable there, along with, I'm guessing this is going to be some extra tips in there as well, as you can see. So always nice to see that there. This is, I want to say it's the olive green. Is that the color that they had in your booklets and how-to guides and stuff like that here? So we'll go ahead and just, put all this here back in the box. Okay, let's go ahead here and take a look at these. I'll go ahead and peel off this little back, all this wrapping here. There we go. And there we are. I love the case. Okay, the case is very comfortable. It's very compact. As you can see right there, these are the green models. You can see right there, which I'm glad that I was sent these here. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the 2020 Pixel Buds here, and you can see they pretty much, well, they are the exact same. However, there are a couple of differences. Of course, this model here came out last year at a price of around $179, while the A series released at a price of $99. So, pretty good savings there. And, you might lose a couple of features here and there. I won't go into the complete technical specs of everything, of course, in this video here, but I do want to just name a couple of things that I am seeing a difference of between the two. Now, as far as the audio quality goes here on these, I'm expecting them to sound exactly the same as the 2020 Pixel Buds did. You see here, open this up, these here are the white color. I'm not sure if they even made any other colors other than white and black here for the 2020 Pixel Buds there. But it's nice to see they made this color here, which looks really nice. So anyway, what are a few differences here? Well, right off the bat, I can go ahead and tell you, the 2020 Pixel Buds has wireless charging, while the 2021 Pixel Buds A series does not have wireless charging. And also, which is a feature that I really love and I hate to get rid of here on the Pixel Buds A series, is the fact that you can't swipe the earpiece frontward or backwards to turn the volume up and down, which was a very good convenience there, because you can use these buds independently and each ear could turn it up or down, which is really kind of awesome. But hey, it's not that big of a deal. So anyway, let's go ahead and just check right into these. Now, they're Pixel Buds. Okay, they look good. I'm sure they're going to sound good. They're probably going to sound just as good as the last year's model, which sounded amazing. Open this up here. We'll take one of these here out, and it looks nice. I mean, look at it. I mean, I like the way it looks like. It has that glossy look there to it. Different ear tips, of course, and everything. The things here just snap right back in perfectly. They will not fall out. I mean, you can sit there and shake them like crazy, and the magnets are strong with these, and they just simply will not fall out. Now, these here are independent, so you can have the left one operating, the right one operating, or both operating, whichever you prefer. So, if you got one in your left ear, it begins to go dead, take it out, throw it back in here, take the right one out, put it in, you're ready to roll. So yeah, and they're very good for phone calls, and sound quality is just amazing on these Pixel Buds. Now, I know that I am going by the 2020 version of the Pixel Buds, but I do believe that they are the same exact speakers in both of these here. So I'm expecting no less quality between the Pixel A series and the Pixel Buds from last year. Both of them have Type-C. That's a very good thing there as well. Now let's go ahead and get in with the connection test. Now, I'll be testing these here with the awesomeness of the Pixel 5. Is that even a word? But if it ain't, it is now. So power these here on. Okay. What we're going to do right now is we're going to flip these open and go ahead and begin pairing. Now, to begin pairing, this button back here, you hold that in. It'll start flashing, as you'll see right now. Let's go and press it. I'll go ahead and press it in. If I can find it, it's flat back there. Okay, so there we go. Now it's flashing and it's pairing. Let's go ahead here and go into Bluetooth. There's my original Pixel Buds right there. And we'll pair the device. And Pixel Buds A series right there, as you can see. Go ahead and pair that there. Okay, so they are added. As you can see right there, Pixel Buds A series. The battery's at 96%. Okay, now we're going to just close the flip up here. We will get them to disconnect, as you can see right there. So we'll go ahead now and see how long it takes to actually reconnect once I open up the Pixel Buds A series here. Now I may have to go into the settings and maybe do like an auto connect thing. It may not be turned on because sometimes that just happens. So but I'm seeing right here that it's not actually connecting when I open the Pixel Buds up, but I go ahead and press it there and it connects without issue whatsoever. Now, one thing I'm not finding here on the Pixel Buds A series is a little pop-up up top that comes up where you can go in there and adjust the settings and software updates and stuff like that. I want to bring these over here and just show you what I mean by opening these up. So we'll go ahead and pair up with the Pixel Buds. You see right there, a little pop-up right there, and it just kind of gives you the left, the right, the percentage, the tutorial, the assistant, find device, touch control, sound, and all that kind of stuff right there. More settings, firmware updates, and stuff like that. So maybe that will be coming soon here with the Pixel Buds A series. Maybe it just ain't, you know, maybe they're just new, you know, just the fact that they're new and are not compatible with this here yet, but hopefully soon it will be. Now let's go ahead and check out to verify the whole wireless charging thing with these two. So let's go ahead here and I'll turn on power share here on the Pixel 5 so I can charge. So here, of course, we do have the Pixel Buds 2020 version. Set it on the back here, and we will see if they start charging or not. Maybe it has to be in a certain place. There we go. You'll see right there, the light is on, and it is currently charging the Pixel Buds from 2020, from last year. So let's go ahead and check out now and put them on. Put these here in the same place, and we're not seeing any kind of light come on. Nothing like that. So yes, wireless charging was taken away, but you got to know that, you know, of course they are going to have to, you know, start doing some cuts whenever they cut prices down like they did from the Pixel Buds of last year to the A series, which cost about $80 less. So, I mean, basically it's a very easy connection, very easy setup. All you got to do is set them up. You just open them up, turn it around, little button down there you press for about 2 seconds. It starts blinking, and you're ready to pair with any Android phone or iPhone, if you so wish, with the Pixel Buds Series A. And for $99, if they sound as good as last year's version, then they're going to sound fantastic, because I mean, these things, they sound good. I ain't gonna lie to you. These are some very good sounding earbuds. They fit very comfortable in your ear. Has different size ear tips and stuff like that. And so, yeah, I will be testing these out. I'll test the connection out. I will test how far I can get throughout the house before they begin to break up and stuff like that. And of course, the battery life. Gotta get the battery life in there for continuous usage. So, yeah, stay tuned for all of that. But these here are the Pixel Buds A series. You know, the new budget priced Pixel Buds from Google. So again, I want to give a big thanks to Team Pixel for sending these out for unboxing and review. Stay tuned for more videos. If it was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing and clicking that bell beside it and press all to get all notifications. That'd be appreciated. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.